What's going on everybody, and welcome to the AWS Lambda tutorial with Python. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create IAM role or an execution role for AWS Lambda function. So assuming that you all have logged in into the AWS console, navigate to services, search for IAM and click on IAM. So it will redirect you to the IAM management console. From there click on roles, then click on create role. So among these four entities, we are going to select AWS service, and from that AWS service, we are going to select Lambda and click on next. So here you can see all the listed policy name that you can attach with this role. So for now, we are going to attach AWS S3, oops, S3 full access, the second one. Then click on next review. Please assign the role name here. Let's say lambda underscore x3 underscore access, and you can change the role description if you want. Then click on create role. So here you can see you have successfully created the lambda underscore s3 underscore access role. Now let's check whether it is showing into the lambda console or not. You can create a new function, or you can select the existing function to check that out, and navigate to execution rule and check for the list. So here you can see that you have access to lambda underscore s3 underscore access execution rule that you have recently created. So this was a quick tutorial on how to create IAM role or an execution role for lambda function. If you have any concern comments, please leave them below. Else see you next time.